Widgets are small interactive elements you can place on your Android home screen that show live information from an app without having to open it. These can show things like weather, calendar events, battery status, reminders, your favorite photos, or pretty much anything. Before I show how to add these, it's important to understand that these only work on the home screen, which is the screen you see when you unlock your phone. When you swipe up to show all your apps, you're in the app drawer, and widgets don't work here, so first you'll want to make sure you're looking at the home screen. On your home screen, tap and hold any empty space. You'll see these customizing options, and from the bottom, you'll choose Widgets. On some phones, you would do this by pinching to zoom out, which then shows you the customizing options. The Widgets menu has a ton of options to choose from. Tap any app and you'll see all the different widget options and sizes that are available. Not every app is going to have a widget, and some apps, on the other hand, will have a ton of different options available. When you find something you like, just tap it and choose Add. It'll go on your home screen where you can resize and position it however you want. If you want to move widgets, just long press it and you can edit it again. Long pressing also has an option to create a stack. This allows you to stack several widgets on top of each other, and you can then swipe between them. For example, I'll place this news widget here on the bottom. Then I can long press it and choose Create Stack. Then I'll choose another widget that gets stacked on top of my news. And now I can keep swiping and it'll cycle between them. If I want, I could add even more widgets to the stack to keep all my favorite info in one place. And that's pretty much it. I love these, and I think it's a great way to customize your home screen and make it feel yours. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe to get access to hundreds of quick and easy video guides like this. Thanks all, hope to see you in the next one.